What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am coming to you all today with yet another video, and as promised I am going to be giving you a little bit of a rundown of my daily planner. A few weeks ago I did post a pic of my Plum Paper Daily, and a lot of you guys were interested in seeing how I made it work for me and kind of my thoughts on it. So that is what this video is going to be today. But before we get into this planner, if you guys are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I do all things planner and craft related here, so if you guys are into that kind of thing, you would definitely enjoy this channel. Now, without further ado, actually, make sure you go ahead and hit the like button. I always forget, but it does help me out a lot. So if you already subscribe or new here, please go ahead and hit the like button, and it just helps let YouTube know that people are liking the video and spreads my video out to the YouTube streets, and I would greatly appreciate that. All right guys, so real quick, I believe I did do an unboxing or kind of show you what this planner looked like. If I did, I'll leave it up in the card above. I really honestly can't remember at this point, but I did pick up this Notique. This is the midi, which is kind of like the 7x9 size. So your classic size happy planner, your 7x9 Plum paper will fit in here. I do like it, but I am kind of missing that half letter kind of A5 kind of sides. So we'll talk about that in a little bit. But what I have been doing, since I have been using like little doodle stickers in my daily, these are literally all of my favorite stickers. I have some bloom stickers. I have some stickers from Valleja and Tuma. Her shop is over on Etsy. Definitely check it out. I adore it. And then I have this little kind of like baggy kind of thing going on here. I got this, it's a B6 size, and I got it from one of the Villa Beautiful monthly kits, and I just slid one end in there, and the other end is just kind of like zip lock kind of baggy thing going on. And I have a bunch of various stickers in here, some from shops that no longer sell things anymore or don't sell those styles of things, but yeah, and that just kind of folds over and sits right there. So that's what's going on in the overall cover. But here is the planner. I also have various stickers in the back too, as you can see, and a Villa Beautiful pen as always. But we'll get rid of this Notique cover because it is pretty large. All right, so here is the planner. Now, the disc bound punch planners do not come with disc, so you basically just get the actual paper if you decide to go with disc bound punch, which I appreciate. Before they just had, you can get it spiral bound or you can get it not punch, so you can do whatever you kind of want to do with it. But now they have the spiral bound, the disc punch without any disc, and then also just the no punch at all. So obviously I got the disc punch, so everything came punched. Which I appreciate, because before, when I first got my Plum paper, I can't even remember what I got. Maybe I did a video of it. I'll look for it and put it up. It's, y'all know I try a lot of things, but it was unpunched, and I struggled with punching this kind of glass cover thing, and it was such a pain, and I didn't think that I would even consider trying them, because I really didn't want to spiral from them. So I am grateful that they do offer the punch already, and all the pages come punched. So the disc itself is actually metal disc from Notique, which I really love. I think it goes really well with this cover. I did the modern, one of the modern designs. I really love this kind of peachy and black kind of deal. And since this is my daily planner, I put a quote at the bottom, and it says, "The secret to your future is hidden in your daily routine." If you guys listen to the show or follow me over on Instagram, you would know I have been talking about how I just been wanting to get back into my daily routines, being able to get up early. I have been really struggling with that. And honestly, I will say this planner has really been helping me kind of revamp my daily routines, get back on the ball racket. So I have been using this pretty much the whole month of April. I put my name in here, but I've been using it pretty much the whole month of April. It arrived pretty quickly, you guys. I think I made the custom things in like late March, and maybe the last week of March or so. And I was the planner was at my doorstep on April 3rd. April 3rd, and my first time ever using it like on like the daily was April 4th. So I've been using it for just about almost a month, really. I mean, we're still in April, so 20 days, because it is the 24th. So I've been using it for 20 days. Some days I didn't use it, like if I wasn't really doing anything, just kind of chilling around the house, I didn't use it at all. But mainly Monday through Friday and pretty much Monday through Saturday pretty much got used. I noticed that a lot of my Sundays I did not use. But I'm going to show you May, because some things I'm going to have to flip through and see what I can actually show you of me, like with the after the pen, because there is a lot of important kind of things in here dealing with my job and the podcast and stuff that I don't just want to share just yet. But let's go ahead and flip into May. Actually, let me show you the beginning first. All right, so here we go. We have your 2021, 2022, both yearly calendars there. Also, we have this kind of special dates area. This actually goes from January to December. However, this planner is customized to only be 6 months, and my 6 months obviously start in April. So I have an April through September, and spoiler alert, I will be purchasing another year, which will obviously start in October, but you get the January through December dates. I haven't really used these, but you know, you can use this for birthdays, appointments, doctor's appointments, kind of future planning kind of thing. And then you have this idea, goals, and plans. You can separate this however you want. It comes blank. I know some people still do this, like if they're content planning, it'll be like January, all the content ideas and things like that, which I think is a neat idea, but you can kind of do it however you want. Obviously, I have not been using them. And then you have this kind of blank note pages, and you get into the monthly. Now, I will say this before we hop over into May, so you can see like what I did for customizations. It does come, like the whole planner comes together, and then the tabs, the dashboards rather, comes after that. So you'll have all your pages in your dashboard. So once you put it together, you will have to like kind of separate it and put the dashboards in, which was okay. I didn't mind really doing it, but just wanted to give people a heads up, because I was a little taken aback. I thought everything would kind of be, you know, placed together for me, and all I had to do was put them on the disc, but that was not the case. So let's go ahead and flip over into May. Obviously, since we haven't done May yet, I haven't put anything there. I did get the kind of colorful option. I kind of wanted something. I didn't think I was going to do too much decorating, but once we get into the after the pins a little bit later, you guys will see I have been doing decorating. So probably in the future, I'll go with something a little bit more neutral, but I'm not mad at the color scheme of this. It's not bad at all. So here is your kind of dashboard area. Front of it is just May with a certain color. And then you kind of have your currently, you have your 3 circles, birthdays, events, things to remember, and then 2 blank spaces down here as well. You get this blank notes page. And then you get into your monthly. Now, one cool thing that it is added, and I'll show you, because I don't think I have anything in May. I'll show you June's. You can actually pay a little bit extra to type in like certain dates all that you know are going to happen. So for instance, I probably will put this, because I'm just going to speak into existence that it's not going to get pushed back again. Like for instance, for my next one, which will have March of 2022, I can put in like literally have them type in just like how it is for Cinco de Mayo, like go wild dates. Let me show you real quick for June, because I did put down my birthday. You can put that in there. I don't know if it's showing up. There we go. So June 12th is my birthday, and I have it there as my birthday. And my son's birthday is in here, my husband's birthday in there. I think it's like $5, but you can do as many as you want. And you also get the options to do like traditional US holidays, and they give a list of all those holidays. As you can see, Juneteenth is now added into there. So I know a lot of us are wanting that to be in our planners moving forward. So Plum Paper has done that. There was 2 other options. Maybe it was like Canadian. I'm going off of memory, y'all. It's been a minute since I actually did this. Actually a month at this point. It's been a month since I did it. But there is other options for other different types of holidays. And of course, you can pay a little bit extra if there's certain holidays, you know, you're a different religion or different culture here in America or whatever. You can add those in for extra $5. So I thought that was pretty neat. And then we get into our daily. So this one starts in May. Actually, I think they all do. Since it's daily, it really doesn't matter. I'm thinking like weekly sometimes, you know, it goes into the next month. But since it is a daily, it doesn't matter. So here is my overall daily. We'll do on this side so it's easier for you all to see. So all of this is customized. Basically where you see like the headers, all of that is customized, but the layout is pretty much the same. So what I decided to do is my customize. I made this the top 3. This here on the right hand side is my to-do list. We have today's schedule, which we'll talk about that in a minute. And also have today's words to hold, because I'm trying to like track like different quotes or different sayings that I see each day and put those in there. And we'll show you that. Ashton needs, I noticed that a lot of times I've needed specific things for my son, who is Ashton. I needed specific things for him. Like, for instance, if he was going to my grandparents' house and he needed more pull-ups or more wipes or something like that, it was just kind of all over the place. Like, I'll just write it down. But now in my daily, I'm putting it in a certain box. So when I come back and look at it, I can be like, oh, I need to get this, this, and that. And below is just notes. So I told you all I absolutely love it, and I really, really do. I want to explain to you why I love it before you see a few of the after the pins. First thing is the customization. I absolutely adore that I can make this completely my own. Even if you want to just not even have headers at all and make it completely blank, that will work as well. You can do that. It's completely customizable. I absolutely love it. The second thing I love is the like hourly kind of thing. I love that it's blank. Regardless, you can't, I don't think, yeah, you cannot like put in times or anything down here. So that comes blank, which is perfect for me. That is one thing that I kind of had an issue with my daily duo. I was really excited for it, but for me, I don't need that much space to break down my days hourly. And I'll show you what I have been doing in the after the pins, but this is perfect. I have yet to need it more space, and if I did, I can just kind of move it over to my to-dos or down here in notes, but I've never had to use up all of this space for like hourly schedules. So absolutely love that. And then lastly, what I love as well, I think it is really good paper quality. I'm absolutely in love with the layout. I love the top 3 that is shaded. It kind of like bolds out, and I love this box is shaded for Ashton things. And yeah, y'all, it's just really been working for me in my season right now. So let me go back through April and find a few spreads that I can share with you all and kind of walk you through what I have been doing. All right, guys. So actually the very first week of April, things that I have written down in here, I am okay with sharing. It's some things in here, like I put some things from works, which of course is confidential, and then some things that just haven't happened yet with like the podcast or my, you know, Myra plans it kind of thing. So that's why I had to like flip through and see what I can show you. But I wanted to show you kind of a spread of what I have been doing. I have my top 3 here. And as you can see, like I said, I don't really need all this space. I'm starting to get more and more okay with white space. I think that is another issue I was having with like the full blown daily kind of layout daily planners, is that it tend to be a lot of white space because I don't really need that much, but this has been working perfectly. So you know, I had to do Ashton's hair, record, clean the kitchen, and that was it. So and as you can see, it kind of skips around. I kind of go in order of what needs to get done, you know, for that certain day. So first thing, noon, 3, like it still be in order, but it kind of skips around, and there's no rhyme over reason as far as like if I skip to the next hour or next half an hour or whatever. It's just in chronological order of when the thing needs to get done. I have my like running to-do list here. Yeah, these are from Vale and Tuma, both of these stickers here. I have a little quote here that I heard from Bob the Drag Queen when I was listening to a podcast that he was on. And then also I had some things, because this was Easter Sunday, so I had a few things for Ashton there. So that is what I have been doing. You guys can see the same is going on here. These stickers are actually from a shop that is no longer in operation anymore. I know a lot of people have, I think I posted maybe either this one or another one that had those stickers on it, and people were asking me. So yeah, unfortunately the shop doesn't sell anymore. Their stickers were super dope. And that is another thing with this daily layout. As you know, like if a weekly, it'll be a 2-page spread or whatever. You know, you can only use, well, you can't only use, but typically you're not using as many different stickers as you would on the daily. So this has really been helping me to use up my stickers. But yeah, so on this week I used, let's see, this was a Monday. That's kind of like a busy day for me. So I used 4 slots, this one 3. So yeah, it's pretty much like, yeah, I can share this one too. It's pretty much been working out for me. Yeah, so I absolutely love it. This is like kind of one of my favorite features, is that this space here for the schedule isn't super long, and it's also open-ended, so I can kind of make it the way I need to make it. And like I said, like the first one, yeah, as you can see, like for the one from Sunday, I started my day at 9. I did 9, 12, 3. And then here on a Wednesday, it's 8, 11, 12, 1. So this has just really have been keeping me on track and kind of getting back into the routine. Now I am pretty much touching this planner every single day right now, what I need to. I still use my catch-all planner and kind of put everything for that week down in there, and it's kind of like the cliff notes or everything. But this daily planner has really been giving me the full detailed overview of what I need to get done each day, and it has really been putting me back on track and helping me to, you know, get back into getting up in my usual time, making sure I'm eating breakfast. That's something that I'm, as you can see, from like pretty much is going to be on their breakfast or some kind of morning. First thing is breakfast, and I have been forgetting that in the past, and like putting it down on paper has really been helping me. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you all think in the comments down below. If you are curious or have any further questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Overall, I'm absolutely in love with this daily planner. The only thing for me, I thought I would really be into the 7x9, since that's kind of my sweet spot. You guys know I started like my planning journey, my serious planning journey, with a Happy Planner Classic, and that size is kind of similar, really close to a 7x9. I thought that was like my sweet spot, but ever since I've been in half letter, y'all, the 7x9 has just been seeming really huge, and I think I'm in love with that half letter size or A5 kind of size, because half letter and A5 are really, really close. But moving forward, once I get my next plum paper, it is going to be their A5 size. I just like that size better. But like I said, you guys, let me know what you all think down below. I hope this video has been helpful. I don't have like any affiliate links or anything. I just think it's a great product. I bought this with my own money, and I just wanted to share it with you all. But yeah, I'd love to chat with you down below. And as I always leave you, if you want it, plan it and do it. Bye guys.